ayifani ne ayikho shoma ifana nayo. Sana sisibetha ngamagila awagqibelani mama Tuwakalela wonke? Hayi. Una iflower yokuqoqa emanzi. Isekhona eshotayo manje. Ikhona. Kanje. Oh. Unini vele oyikuvela ngoku. Hey. Jini kanti abazebhayi bade bathini? Hayi. Oh, kanene. So akwelidi yethu thina sigadeni naba kanifika nizana ntoni? Unxibe ntoni? Unxibe ntoni? Umfazi kabani into ayaziyo kuswenka cha. Hayi. So wayefakile sabhayi oil ngoba ixofu. You can if you like. Yeah. Wayefakile. Bathi make cancel for leave. Oh. Ufakelani oil? Mina ndifaka ke cancel beka noba izimla muffins or uyazi uyabonga muffins bathi apha ukuthi or if wenza no buns. For it. Good morning, guys. It is the day of Umcimbi today, and I am so tired. We slept late, Izolo. So now, the time is past 7. Turn on to clean the toilet, and then when I'm done, or first things first, and then you clean the toilet. So yeah, guys, I think this is about something even though when you call up. So much covering my dad. Papa Alcesa. Good morning, guys. Happy New Year, Bandasi. Happy New Year. Today is the 4th of January, 2025. Guys, this is Mgidin. The time now is 5 to 7. I'm Mgidin and I'm late. I said, but it's fine. And there's no guys, but I had no choice. So yeah, bandasimasambeni. Yo guys, akukhona enzima njengovlogger phakathi kwabantu because andifuni uba abantu babe uncomfortable ndim. So yeah guys, masambeni. So thatha ezo clips nezo clips apha endibona khona ubana ndiyakwazi uvlogger, and ke ngoku abantu abanye sebeqhelile or sebendiqaphele, so they don't mind, but ke andifuni uba wonke umntu angazivi comfortable ngenxa yam nekhamera.
Ndizithathile eziyi-3 bambalwa abamama. Andifakanga amanzi
Ngawasone.
sesu sodwa sesethu.
Uyokanela ukwazi uphatha.
Sibeka pha phansi.
So siwezi ayizosulu.
By 7.
Yeah, into yabo uba ngathi apho ufaka sema na song
So one coat and pin ndio ngazazi.
akujiwa na songa musi. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today it is the 5th of January 2025. Ndisengumhlalo wekikileyo wasemgqonce, but ke sana sishiyeke sodwa abantu balapha emtyandini bamkile I think 15 or 20 minutes ago. Gogo, it's just me, my husband and our kids. Gogo, I'm making myself something to eat. It's like ulusu bembiyena lo emgidini izolo. Guys, izolo I couldn't even vlog kahle emgidini. Bendigowa. Yo, bendifoka off izolo, but ke it is a story for another day. Bandigqibotya kwenza washing. So yeah, bantu. So now guys, jongani ndigqiba unqunqa ilantuka ionion ndifuna ukwenza ibhisto because olwalusu bendinethemba lalo alukho right. Xaba liye langena impukane ndithe xa ndihamba ndiyolithatha ifriji bevulekile. So ndizokwenza ibhisto ndikwazi unqophoza nesonka. Andiyazi mama ndenze ntoni, ndilambile.
When I get you with the job, I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, we do the yeah, that. What's it go? You are go, all the penny, the cash, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the penny. When you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do to one. Plenty survive with face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the penny, the cash, ride the book. Schemes and packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. Port I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become, you shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go. All the penny. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are the all the men, they got it, ride it with me. I know feet, now.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, where's me out of fear? You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, cover my think about shit that I should've known. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Sana. Namhlanje is 6 January and I'm off to a town to pick up my brother because ngomso siyahamba naye sibuyela back to Joburg. So usuka from ekhaya eMthatha. And ke ngoku sana into endihlekisayo seke phayana and andikahlamba ndikathini kangatsho xa ephumayo uba uzophuma early because abanalanto abanambane ngaphayana. So bantazi masambeni siyeni edutywa masambeni bantazi. Niyandibona guys uba ndimnyama njani. Kunjalo ke sandiba sezilalini especially xa usebenza yonke le mizi le kube kutshisa guys. Eastern Cape kutshisa ngenye indlela. The boring part is that during the day it's very hot and then at night or in the evening kuqale kubande. But sana hayibo for the last year okanye kulo December suka khange kubande tu guys. Kuyaqala ngokuba kube gloomy like kungatshisi okusilapha. So yeah bantase, I am still alive. I am done guys. I am done. I am off to a town. I am off to a town and I'm not sure manzi vlog nanoba andizovlog yoxhomekeka kuba ndizokwenza ntoni naphayana, but I will show you my outfit of the day.
Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, where's me out of fear? You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear.
This is a cash build, but ke ngoku andikwazi mna ukwehla because abantwana balele and omnye nanko ndimsingathile. So andiyazi man, zikhona izinto ebendifuna ukuzichecka but apha umyeni wam ungenile sizothenga into yendlu elikhayo. Bekunetha mos izolo and the other day, so sisabona ubana kukho iqabaza elikhona, so sizothenga ezo zinto ezo before sihambe because tomorrow we are leaving. And ke ngoku so ukuba izoba nemonakalo okhoyo if sishiya injalo. Guys, nansi imall yasedutywa. Lo mntu umela ntoni na? Nansi guys imall yasedutywa. Mani ndizanibonisa kakhe. Nansi guys imall. We are at the mall. Now Hungry Lion. Nancy mall, guys. Mall kele. Helele. Mall yethu. And it runs it down so then there's a mall.
I would have to hold my breath till you get down on my knees. 'Cause you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fall me? Did you ever picture us?
Hi, it is another day. I am back in Joburg. I got home last night, but we came back yesterday. So today it is the 9th of January 2025. Guys, please don't mind the noise. I'm trying to distract abantwana bami babukele TV because ndifuna ukuba busy ndiclean and all that, so bayangitefela. So guys, while I was still on the way, I got a text message from my sisters bengixelela that umntana kamakazi wami, our cousin or brother, uswelekile, and now I have to go back to the Eastern Cape again. January, guys, imali ayipopi, but guess is out in. So yeah, sana it's not even half. We are not even halfway through January. We are still in the early days, but already in 2025 is in Vulengumphanga. But God decides what plans is. So yeah, bandase dizovala le vlog. I came here to close off the Eastern Cape vlog. I hope we enjoy enough le vlog and that you have subscribed. If you haven't, please do so. And guys, I love engaging with you on the comment section. I love engaging with you guys on the comment section. Just drop a like and comment down below. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching until this far. Until next time, bye bye.